Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about Flutter Spin Kit package, and this package helps us with loading indicators. So instead of our regular circular indicator, we have these beautiful indicators, so we can use any of them instead of using the regular circular indicator. So now I'll just go straight to my code. So first of all, I'm just going to copy this and then paste it here in my pops.yaml file. So here, when I paste it here, I'm just going to click on this pub get, although I've done that already. So and then it's going to install this package for me. So now let's go straight to my home page. So first of all, if I want to use this package, I first import the file, and then I then declare our bool value. So this bool value, I'm going to be using it to toggle whether to see um, the loading indicator. So now I'm going to create a function which I'm going to use to toggle this loading. So now I added this timer to delay this process for 10 seconds before I change this boolean to false. And then I create an init state where I'm going to be calling this method. But but guys, don't worry if you don't understand it. I'm still going to go through this process again. So now I declared this delay inside this init state, and then after that I'm going to call this ternary operator. Now for this part, what I'm actually doing is that once this value is true, it should show this, and once it is false, it should show this. Now let's look into our progress bar. Now this our progress bar is a class where I declared this our spin kit. Now this spin kit, now let me go back to, we can choose different kind of name. We can use this, use this, use this. So what I'm actually using is this spinning line. So all you need to do is just to copy any of their name and then paste it here, and then you can give it whatever value you want. Maybe you want the color to be green, you want it to be 20. Oh, sorry, I was using a different, I think I was using a different name, not this. Okay, I think this is I'm trying to get the exact. Anyways, that was not what we need to do. So this is um, what I'm using for now. So let's go back to our code. So now what I'm saying here is that once this loading is true, it should show the spin kit, and once it is false, it should show done. And now I created this method earlier on that it should delay, and then delay for 10 minutes. First of all, it's going to be true. So that means when we enter this page, that means here this is going to execute because it is true at first. The loading is true at first. Then is good. Then this method is now going to execute in the init state and wait for like 10 seconds then before changing to false, and then when it is false, it executes this. So now let's hot restart to show what I actually implemented. So now it's going to restart the page. Then now we are going to be loading this for 10 seconds, and after it load for 10 seconds, as you can see, it will show this, it will print this here. Now it is false now. So it has loaded for 10 seconds, and then later it changed this loading to false, and which then execute change from this which is true then to this which is false. So that is all about spin kit 2. You can use various type of there are so many type of loading indicators. So you can use, I think this is what I was actually using. So you can use so many, and Just all you need is just make an extra class, and which in that extra class declare this inside it, and that's all. So that is all about Spinkit, and do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.